Okay, here we go. So this is Eddie Royal, auto rookie jersey, and it's numbered from 127 to 199. Real nice card. And then I have the rookie winning materials of 19 of 25. Pretty nice little cards. Then we have Devin Thomas of the Redskins, one that's autographed and one that's not. And they are numbered from 14 of 50 and 15 of 25. And then we have this Donnie Avery, and it is he's a rookie. He has a jersey in the ball. And then we have Lima Swede, and it is 3 colors, and it's the football and the jersey, and it's numbered from 43 of 199. Okay, now this is a brand new box, never been opened. Check it out. Here we go. We're gonna crack it open right now, and let's see what we get. Okay. Package 1, 2, 3, and 4.
All right, good luck.
Never been opened.
Something good.
Here we go. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Well, something on the back here. Calvin Johnson. We got this. We got this. We got Early Duckett, 23 of 100, and it's a rookie card. And then it has the football and then 3 colors.
A couple little patches on it.
A couple of patches. And this is a Tools of the Trade. It's just a insert card, I think.
Yeah.
And it's just numbered to 21 to 25, and it is his name is Calvin Johnson.
Nice.
So
not bad.
Let's move on to the next one. And this one,
pick up, looking for
a
big hit. Big hit.
Come on now. Uh-oh. It's a little tough to open here.
Big hit. Need a big hit.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Chad Henning of the 2 of 25.
Oh, nice.
And it is a jersey card with nice, pretty colors. And again, it's number 2 of 25.
Nice hit. And a spectrum.
And a spectrum. So.
Nice hit.
Okay. Come on now. We need some of these autographs. Need some. Big name.
Down at the store. We might open up the best ones at the store.
Okay, here we go.
See, I'm feeling a big hit right here.
Okay. Glenn Dorsey, 28 of 35.
That's nice.
And here it is. Look at this.
That's
nice
good.
Sign. Patch. Beautiful signature.
With his thumbprint on it.
With his thumbprint.
There you go.
Look at that.
What's it numbered to?
28 of 35.
Nice. Let's get hit. What's his jersey numbers?
20 or 72.
Uh-oh. He's good though. That's a good hit.
Okay, here we go.
Last pack.
His fingerprint. We can have DNA done on it.
Yeah.
Last one. Let's see. That might have been the...
I don't know. I feel a big patch card coming on.
70 of 100.
All right,
okay, here we go.
Oh, so auto. Who is it?
Justin Vargas, autograph. Marks of Fame. Not sure. It's 1 of 25.
Oh, it's not bad.
And then we have a Spectrum, Jonathan Henry, and his is 70 of 100.
Not a bad box.
So, there we go.
Alright, get a little quick update on. There you go. Some nice hits.
Yep.
Alright.